Hello, you with me, Dior. Now I'm going to unboxing Redmi 8 from Xiaomi. Redmi 8 Sapphire Blue, 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM. Okay, this is the box. Let's unboxing. This is the global version, not the Malaysia version. Global, which is in Shopee, and they have a promotion for RM 369, normal price 499 ringgit. Okay, the box. Pin. And what you have here, this is the Redmi user guide. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the guide, and then we have this warranty card. So English, okay, to the side, and also the phone cover, the jelly transparent cover. Put it aside. And then this is the film. So this is it. Redmi 8. It's the same 5000 battery, 6.22 12 Qualcomm Snapdragon Redmi. Nothing different with the other version, but global version is the same thing. It's just English, not Chinese. And then this one, micro SD nano SIM card, so it's here on this side for this nano SIM card, 2 nano SIM card and micro SD. Okay. Fingerprint sensor, camera 12+2. Looks nice. And then this is the charger, USB-C, and charger, global version with there you go, output 5 volt 2.0 10 watt. This is not the fast charging like Qualcomm 3.0 12 volt. This is only 9 volt. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing. Redmi. Bye.